Hey, it's Joey from Imzz Elite. We're back in the shop today with a brand new product. We got our Shin Splitter mini floorboards. We're gonna throw them on this beautiful 2017 Dyna Lowrider S.
Stock peg bolts off. When you get these pulled out, there's a little like flexed spring washer in there. Just don't want to lose it. You're gonna have to reuse that when you put your new pegs on. I got the angle on these preset. We'll probably have to do a little minor adjustment after, but just a good starting point. To get that spring washer, we're gonna have to take our drift. We'll throw that spring washer in. Just kind of center it over the hole. And then slide your peg in. And if you can't get the bolt through without misaligning on that washer, that's where we'll use the drift. Oh, this one went in fairly easy. Where you preset them wasn't good enough. They need a little twist on them. You can take a 12.38 socket and just break them loose a little bit and get them flattened out. And go ahead and just tighten it back down. We'll go to the other side. Probably have to pick up the shifter, just kind of upshift to get it out of your way. And the peg on this side probably needs to get kicked up. It'll give you just a little more room to get access to that nut. you get a little bit of interference with the shift arm, so you kind of just stuck with it unless you want to remove the whole shift arm. Like this one, you can get the alignment just right. So these are drift. You're gonna pull everything, push and pull. Take our 3/8 12 point again. Get that positioned a little better. Just lock it down. That's it, you're ready to rip.